Okay, at the pet store, we got these Zukes Mini Naturals Salmon recipe. Little dog treats. And I knew I liked this company. They're in Durango, Colorado. So, our dog Lucy here has had one of their other flavors. I think the other one was, what, beef?
Peanut butter and something.
Oh, yeah, peanut butter, oats and peanut butter, I think was the other flavor that she had, which she did like. And she still has a small amount of those still left. Lucy, are you ready to try the salmon flavor? She's like, you're taking too long.
She's kind of wallet.
She said, I have to figure this out for myself if you're going to take this long.
Yeah, she loves salmon though. So.
You want to... Yeah? Okay, it smells pretty good, huh? You can see the bag's filled to like right about there, so a pretty good amount. There's
like
6 ounces in here, 170 grams.
Yeah, it's $10 a bag.
$10? Okay.
9 something.
I'll look and see if I can find these online if I can. Here, let me squish it for you. She don't have any front teeth, so she sometimes needs... Wait a minute, what?
What was that about?
Oh.
You got it. Yum, yum. She said, I don't know, I haven't had this before. It's weird.
Okay, yeah. Just took her a second. She had to get into the mindset.
She's like, is this what I'm supposed to eat? Because this is different than the other.
Is that good? You want to try another one? The first one's always a tentative one where she's just, checking it out. Usually after that, though, she likes it. She goes right for it after that. Yeah, I think we've got a fan here. Let me know if you've ever tried any of this brand before for your dog.
Oh, yeah.
But Lucy, would you get these again? And would you recommend them to a friend? Okay, it looks like yes. It's a yes and a yes.
Yep, tongue out. Yep, it's a yes.
Oh, yeah. Thank you for watching this. If you, like I said, have experience with this product, let us know what your pet thought of it in the comment section below. And if you have not tried this with your animal, I would say give it a try. Your dog may enjoy them as much as ours. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next review. Bye!